Out today. I just wanted to talk about the oils just for a little bit and tell you that these oils are the top oils in the world. The reason that they are is that they are distilled at low temperatures, low pressures for long periods of time to keep all the components of the oil intact. And since it's an oil concentrated, so when you use these oils, you're pretty much guaranteed that you're going to get a therapeutic effect from them. And each oil has its own personal identity, so to speak. It is 60% like our blood, and more or less than that with the internal organs. So the body and the oils recognize each other, and they work together to produce a good effect. So they go down through layers, and the first layer that they usually work on is pH balance, and the oil will give themselves up for that. So a lot of times when I'm working on somebody, I'll use lemon oil first because that'll pH balance the person, and then I'll use other oils after that. I like to use Valor a lot because that is chiropractor in a bottle. That's its nickname, and it goes in and adjusts every cell in the body. So, and it directs the other cells to do what needs to be done. Today, we're going to try oils in our food, and what you're eating here is raw foods. They also have oils in them, so you can look at oils as an extension of foods. Each of these things have, as you know, carrots are high in vitamin C and vitamin A, so they're good for the cells and good for the eyes. And cucumbers have their own thing, healthy, good things for our body, and they do different things to make us strong, and so they're good foods. In the dressing is avocado and Greek yogurt and dill. So dill oil, I'm going to read a little bit about it. It's a plant that's mentioned in the papyrus of Egypt, and some of the properties are it's anti-diabetic, anti-spasmodic, antibacterial, expectorant, pancreatic stimulant, insulin, blood sugar regulator. So we can use it for diabetes, digestive problems, liver dysfunctions, and also if it's an expectorant, we might be able to use it a little bit for after you eat food. Sometimes people get a lot of phlegm, so help us to get some of that out. In the lemonade, which doesn't exactly replicate the color of lemonade because I used Yakan syrup in there for a sweetener, and Yakan is made from a flowering plant in South America. Diabetics can use it. It's not going to get their blood sugar out of balance. And there's a lemon in there, and then there's lemon oil in there, and another oil called Sleek Essence. So I'm just going to talk about lemon for a minute. And lemon was researched by Dr. Jean Volnay in France, and vaporizing lemon oil can kill typhoid in an hour, Staph aureus in a few hours, and pneumococcus bacteria within a few hours. Lemon oil is really, really good. In fact, all the citrus oils really kill a tremendous amount of antigens, which is bacteria and viruses, and some even kill parasites. So they're the perfect room deodorizer if you plug them in a diffuser that doesn't heat up the oil, because when you heat up the oil, the enzymes die. Tumoral, antiseptic, microcirculation, improves the microcirculation, helps the immune stimulation, improves memory and relaxation. It's extensively used for its ability to combat tumor growth in over 50 clinical studies. You can use it for circulation problems, arteriosclerosis, parasites, urinary tract infections, varicose veins, anxiety, hypertension, and acne, digestive problems. So just imagine all those situations that you've just attacked that might be in your body, and you've just attacked them and helped to get rid of them while you're eating your food. The other thing that I put in the lemonade is Sleek Essence, and that's a blend of oils with spearmint and a lot of the citrus oils and an oil called Ocotillo. that's in Ecuador, found in Ecuador. It's from the cinnamon family, and it really helps with weight management, and it helps with blood sugar control. And so you can use this oil while you're eating on your salads and in your juice or whatever, and it will help you to curb your appetite because the mint family makes you feel satisfied, like you don't need to keep eating. And then the citrus oils help to clean and stimulate the lymphatic system going, so you're not keeping old toxins in the body, you're actually cleaning your body while you're eating the oil. So I hope that you enjoyed it. And it has a different flavor, doesn't it?
It's really good.
It's usually, yeah, I mean, it's very fresh tasting, I find, and also unique flavor compared to what's out there. So thank you very much for joining me.